So in this problem, we're given that in 1993, employment costs, I'm just going to call it E, rose by 3.5%. And it consists of salary costs, S, and fringe benefit costs. And the problem states that the salary cost rose 3%, and fringe benefit costs rose 5.5%. And the question is asking that fringe benefit costs, F, as a percentage of the total employment costs at the beginning of 1993. So I'm just going to use the letters E, S, and F as the total employment costs, salary costs, and fringe benefit costs at the beginning of 1993. So the relationship is E is S plus F. Now, I know that at the end of 1993, the total employment cost is 3.5% more, so I get a multiplier of 1.035 E, and where E is the cost at the beginning of the year. And that's equal to the salary cost, which is 1.03 of S. So this 1.03, these multipliers really are coming from that it's S plus 3% of S, and that's 3 over 100 times S, or S plus 0.03 S, and then when you add them. So doing it directly like this saves you time, but that's the underlying basis of why that is. And then this would be equal plus, and then we have to add the fringe costs at the fringe benefit costs at the end of 1993, which is going to be 1.055 F. So that's the relationship we have. The question is asking for F as a percentage of E, so F over E times 100. So I really just need a relationship between F and E. I'm just going to eliminate S. So S is E minus F, and I'm going to replace it in this equation. So I get 1.035 E, 1.03 E minus F, plus 1.05 5. So I have to be careful. That's 2 5s here. And distribute this 1.03 E minus 1.03 F plus 1.055 F. Subtract these two, and I'm going to get 0.005 E. And here I'm going to get, so I need to subtract, and I have to be careful with the decimals here, and 5, 2, so I get 0.025 F. So I'm going to get, so I need this ratio F over E, so I'm going to divide, meaning move the E here, move that to the other side. I get 0.005 over 0.025, and I'm going to move the decimal 3 places, so that becomes 5 over 25, which is 1/5, and 1/5 as a percentage, just have to multiply it by 100, and that's 20. So the answer is 20%, which is answer choice B.